in Colombia, when you pay with any kind of plastic, you need to advise them if it's debit card or credit card. They'll probably ask you, but if you just tell them it helps them. And then secondly, you need to say how many installments you want to pay, because that's the way they make money here, is by charging you installments. So you need to say una cuota. They'll say cuántas cuotas, and you need to say uno. And then the final thing is, some places it'll be automated that you pay in Colombian pesos. Otherwise, you'll see when it's time to pay that you're going to be debited in your foreign currency. So if that happens, you need to avoid that foreign currency transaction, because they're making a lot of money on that, on the exchange rate commission. You want to be debited in Colombian pesos. So if that happens, tell them to redo the transaction, and as they go through the screens to do the transaction, there'll be a screen which says press 1 for Colombian pesos, or press 2, select 2 for your foreign currency. So you just need to tell them, as they're putting information into the card machine, that they should select number 1. And that button will make sure you get debited in Colombian pesos and you don't get charged the scam foreign currency rates. So that's how to pay with a card in Colombia.
So just to revise, the 3 things you need to do when paying by plastic in Colombia. Number 1, say you're paying by debit or credit card. Number 2, say you're paying in one quote, una cuota. And number 3, check on the final screen that you're going to be debited in Colombian pesos, not your home currency. If you are, ask them to redo the transaction and follow them as they work through the screens on card machine, and on the currency selection, get them to select the correct currency.